What sets EcoGen apart is that we all got into this for a certain reason, a very personal reason, is that we want to help people. And CBD's affected us personally on such a large scale that it drove us to do this professionally. And we really care about our processes, everything from our genetics to the final product. There's so much love and so much attention that goes into every single thing that we do that our products speak for themselves.
I think we've all seen the growing reliance on big pharma, and this is an incredible opportunity to help educate people about, their endocannabinoid system and ways that they can ultimately live a cleaner, healthier lifestyle.
With CBD specifically, not even counting any of the other cannabinoids, there's a lot of research out there that proves and shows that it helps with seizures. It's just really exciting to be in something that's just brand new.
I think what really sets us apart is we're the closest thing to a mass production vertical business. So we have everything from the seed all the way to finished products. We do all of our own manufacturing from the very beginning of the process to the very end. And also everything that we use for manufacturing, we fabricate ourselves. All the equipment that we use, we fabricate ourselves in-house. We don't have down days. We don't have problems with how to run the equipment. If something breaks, we fix it, immediately. We don't have any problems with our production. I think that it's important when you're buying a product to have something that is going to be consistent every time. You don't have to guess what you're going to get. We have full chain of custody from start to finish within our facility, and the consistency that we can supply because of that is very important to anybody that's trying to set up a large manufacturing plant. We look at scale as not taking what we already have and adding another exact replica of that, but how can we put the burden on the equipment and build out bigger equipment that can take on the job. And because of that, we've built out the largest hydrocarbon extractor that exists. We've built out these vacuum distillation units will process 500 kilos an hour of finished product. So I think that's what really sets us apart.
Because we are the fabricators, the engineers behind the equipment that we use, that makes a huge difference. And being able to have all those controls in place, we can shift with the industry however it needs to go.
The fact that we do own our own farms and the fact that we do have our own facilities and we do all of our own processing, we're able to create the best possible product really from seed to sale. Complete control, and it's a family business, a community of people that all come together for a common purpose, and that is to help people that are greatly benefit from CBD.
I'm most excited about the bigger brands that have already been established, these long-lasting products that people already know about or grew up consuming, getting into the industry and us being able to supply them or work together with them to build a very customized product that hasn't been seen yet. It's been a really special opportunity that I think comes once in a lifetime to be a part of the beginning of such a cutting-edge business in an exploding market. It's been really cool to see all the different people that we've been able to help, and it's been really cool to see all the people that we've been able to connect within this business that wouldn't have happened without this. So I hope this goes farther and farther, and I hope it doesn't stop for a long time.